Note, I do post nose balloon related stuff sometimes, but I'm more into balloon posts the most. My nose balloon related stuff are not fetish. I hope you understand this message. Ah, gee.